Welcome to this presentation on a novel approach for enhancing reliability of microservices applications under dynamic workloads. This research was conducted by Vinay Raj et al. And published in 3rd September 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem the research addresses. Microservices architecture is a popular choice for modern web applications due to its modularity and scalability. However, its distributed nature presents challenges to reliability, especially under dynamic workloads. Failures in one microservice can cascade to others, leading to reduced overall application availability. This paper proposes a novel approach to enhance microservices reliability by addressing both dynamic workload handling and inter-microservice communication. The proposed approach consists of 4 phases. Phase 1 assesses the baseline reliability of the microservices application under varying workloads. Phase 2 involves training a machine learning model to predict the required number of microservice instances based on performance traces and reactive autoscaling. Phase 3 enhances this by incorporating workload prediction to proactively scale instances for anticipated workloads, including bursty traffic. Experimental results indicate that the proposed framework significantly improves the reliability of the microservices application. Key findings include an increase in the number of successfully processed user requests and a reduction in the number of failed requests across various synthetic and real time workloads. While the proposed approach generally leads to an increase in resource costs compared to the baseline, the improvement in reliability is substantial. The study demonstrates the effectiveness of the proposed 4 phase framework in enhancing microservices reliability under dynamic workloads. By combining proactive instance prediction and workflow forecasting with communication aware placement, the approach effectively mitigates cascading failures and communication bottlenecks. The results highlight a trade off between increased reliability and slightly higher operational costs, a common consideration in system design. This paper presents a novel machine learning based framework for improving the reliability of microservices applications under dynamic workloads. The framework addresses key challenges by focusing on accurate instance prediction, proactive workload handling, and communication aware placement of microservices. The empirical evaluation confirms that the proposed approach significantly enhances application reliability by increasing processed requests and reducing failed requests.